Hello everyone, this is Pristine Felicity. So, yesterday I have shared two questions on the topic of chemistry in our Telegram group. You too can join the group from the link given in the description. So, here I'll be discussing the solutions of these two questions. Now, the first question says the dissociation energy of H2 is 150 kilojoule per mole. If H2 is exposed to light energy of wavelength 500 nanometer, what percent of light energy will be converted into kinetic energy? So to solve this question, firstly we have to calculate the dissociation energy of H2 per atom. Here per mole is given, so we have to divide 150 kilojoule by 6.02 10 to the power 23, which on calculating we will get as 2.49 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Next we need to calculate the light energy that will come because of the wavelength 500 nanometer. So for that we will use the formula of E is equal to hc by lambda, where h is Planck's constant and c is the velocity of light in vacuum and lambda is 500 nanometer. Putting the values we will get E as, that is energy, as 3.96 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So now we can finally calculate the percentage of light energy converted into kinetic energy, because the energy that will be given by the light will be used to firstly dissociate H2. For that we have to subtract 3.96 into 10 to the power minus 19 and 2.49 into 10 to the power minus 19, and then we have to divide it by 3.96 into 10 to the power minus 19, and the final answer comes out to be 37.12%. Now let's look into the second problem, which is calculate the energy required to excite 1 liter of hydrogen gas at 1 atm and 298 Kelvin if the first excited state of atomic hydrogen. The energy for dissociation of HH bond is 436 kilojoule per mole. Also calculate the minimum frequency of photon to break this bond. So firstly we have to calculate the number of moles of H2 present. So for that we can use the formula PV is equal to nRT. Here P and V, that is pressure and volume, are given to be 1 atm and 1 liter, and R is universal gas constant, and temperature is given to be 298 Kelvin. So on putting the values we will get number of moles of H2 involved as 0.0409. Now is given that the energy for dissociation of HH bond is 436 kilojoule per mole, and here we have 0.0409 mole. So the total energy that will be required is 436 kilojoule into 0.409. On calculating we will get 17.83 kilojoule. Next we have to calculate the energy to excite the hydrogen atom to the first excited state. For that we can use the formula that energy is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square. Here z square will be 1 as the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Now the first excited state means that n is equal to 2, so the energy will be minus 13.6 into 1 by 4, and the ground state energy will be simply minus 13.6. So the change in energy can be calculated as shown here, and we will get the value as 10.2 electron volt, and we can convert electron volt to joule per atom by multiplying it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this gives us the value of energy per atom, but here we need the energy for 0.0409 mole. For that we have to multiply this energy into 0.0409 into 2, because for H2 it is 0.0409, so for one hydrogen atom it should be into 2 and into Avogadro number. So the total energy will be finally given as 80.36 kilojoule. And so now we can finally calculate the total energy needed, that will be just the sum of the energy needed to break the HH bond and the energy needed to excite the hydrogen atom, that will be 98.19 kilojoule. And now for the second part of the problem, to calculate the minimum frequency of photons required to break this bond, we have to use the formula E is equal to h nu, and the energy should be in per atom. So we have to divide the given energy, that is given in per mole, by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and we have to then equate it with h in nu, and h is Planck's constant, so we can find the value of nu, that is frequency, as 10.93 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, and that will be the answer. So that was all, guys. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and keep watching and growing.